Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find those accounts on Instagram which are near you or which resides near your locality. So, for example, I currently reside in New Delhi and I want to find out the users who are living nearby. So, the best way to do this is go to the search bar at the bottom, and then in the search bar, you need to type that particular locality or that city's name where you belong. So for example, I'll be typing New Delhi and then you need to hit the search bar. Then here you need to click on this places tab right here. In the places, simply select the place again, and here you can see that it will show you all of those accounts which have posted near this location or tagged this location. So now you got to know which accounts are associated near New Delhi. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.